This is the DCF403 and 414, two brand new brushless rivet guns from Dewalt. These are fast pulling riveters pulling aluminium, steel and stainless steel rivets, with the 403 pulling 2.4 up to 4.8 rivets, while the 414 pulls 4.8 all the way up to 6.4mm rivets. They both feel about the same weight. They've got a narrow front on them so they can get into a tight section. You've also got a catcher on the rear for your manuals and stems so they don't end up all over the floor of your workshop or in the gutter on a roof. Now in front of that catcher is a holder for your spare noses that come with the tool. Each is labelled with a key inside the holder to let you know which is which. Each of those noses has a little rubber ring that helps to hold onto the rivet while you shake it all about, and you just screw the tip off there to change those noses toollessly. The same goes for any maintenance of the pulling mechanism as well, and spare noses are available separately. Now the smaller 403 has 10 Newton meters of pulling force and can pull up to 43 rivets every minute, while the larger 414 has 20 Newton meters, twice the pulling force, and can pull up to 38 rivets every minute, both very quick. They're lightweight, they're very well balanced and easy to use, and if you've got a lot of rivets to pull, they're an absolute game changer, and they're available now at your local Sydney Tools store, or you can head online to sydneytools.com.au for the full specs and to order online. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below, and until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.